Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Samantha's 10th birthday coming up, and this year she wants a unicorn theme. So we have to build her a prop. What do you want that prop to be?
A castle.
So we're going to build a big old castle. We have a ton of big boxes here. We have some white paint, although we'll probably need a ton more. And we have some purple. And our strategy is to just build something big, cut out some windows, and kind of go from there. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
This is the general shape we're going to go with. It's about 12 feet wide, 7 feet deep, 8 feet tall. Next step is going to be to cut out some windows, doors, and the notches or crenellations on top. And we'll be back. Alright guys, we're back one more time and we finished all the cutting. As you can see, I cut a ton of windows and doors. We did the notches on top. Built a little flag, and I painted it pinkish purple. And let's walk around to the side and back. And as you can see, cut a bunch of big holes so little kids can go in and see through the front and side windows. And that's pretty much it. We're ready to start painting. And we'll check back one last time, and we are pretty much complete. As you can see, we finished the painting. The tops are the purplish pink and everything else is white. And let's have a quick look around. And here's the view from the back. That's pretty much it. Sam, are you ready for your party?
Yeah!
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.
Cho con lên xe glasses. Con ra vô em thà mình đứng đó con. Đi ra chỗ khác. Con mẹ.
So that photo was 21,000.